In this video, we're talking about Aquarius and what do they desire in terms of sexual preferences among the zodiac signs. That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell because I just caught a cramp on my leg, and let me tell you, it is painful. When paired with Aries, this pair can be very stressful or very exciting. Most of the time, both. They both need to feel love, so working on emotion is the aspect and the most foundation thing that needs to be worked on. When paired with Tauruses, this pair would have very much difficulty being sexually attracted to each other. They might start thinking their partner is either boring or very crazy. When paired with Gemini, this pair can have sex even in a verbal way. They don't have to be naked to experience sexual pleasure. They both are aroused by intellect. When paired with Cancer, hey, you want some stress in your life? You want some stress in your life? Then choose this pair. This pair works for you. When paired with Leo, confidence between these two is just inspiring. Sagittarius better look out because Aquarius is their rival when it comes to Leos. When paired with Virgos, you want your sex life to flop? Then choose this pair. This pair works swell. When paired with Libra, this is another great pair. Aquarius can help Libra express himself sexually. It is a challenge for Aquarius to fit in Libra's expectation or needs, but once it happens, well done. When paired with Scorpio, this pair has a very difficult time having balance when it comes to passion, rational thinking, and emotion. Their sex life can be a battlefield or a blissful wonderland. When paired with Sagittarius, Aquarius acts the way Sagittarius thinks. They both love to try things new and love to experiment, making their sex life worthwhile. But if you really want to give a powerful punch, make sure you learn to put intimacy into the relationship. If you want to make sure that it's that bomb sex, you make sure you put that intimacy in there and you're gonna be like, woo! When paired with Capricorn, it is super rare to have Aquarius wait for Capricorn to make a decision. A detailed plan, especially in the bedroom. This can turn on Capricorns because they want to do things hassle-free, stress-free. When paired with another Aquarius, two Aquariuses in a relationship is fun. They are more likely to be experimented and just going on experimented. Have experiments and just have full of adventures experimented. However, once that all fades away, if there is intimacy found as a component in the sexual relationship, then it works out perfectly fine. It's highly recommended if you're gonna add that intimacy prior. This way you don't have to be flopping over and stumbling over mistakes. When paired with Pisces, this pair can make some bomb-ass sex. But there is something that you do need to look out for. Aquarius needs to learn to express themselves sexually, so this way Pisces know how to naturally flow into theirs. If you enjoy this quick burst of facts, I have a whole playlist of horoscope videos that you can check out. You might find something new, you might find something interesting, who knows? There is one way to find out. It's actually raining right now, so thunderstorms coming in. There's currently, at the time of recording this video, a hurricane is coming in through, so I'm really trying to push out these content videos before the power goes off and I'll be like, shit.